Let's create bullet holes like this, like random bullet holes if you want to. So you have to go into the third person character. If you're using something else, just go there, just go all the way to where you're starting your gunshots. And after you're starting your gunshot, you have to do a line trace by channel, and then trace channel is visibility, and then starting point is for me the point of the gun, but you can use the camera, or if you're using first person camera, that would work as well. Then get world location, this one goes into the start, and then get world rotation, get forward vector, and then multiply it by, you can multiply like that, multiply it by 5,000 units in all directions, and then add it, you can add it like it as well, with the starting point as well, and this one goes into the end point just like that. Trace complex must be enabled, and then if it hits something, just type in branch out of this, and then goes forward from out here, just go all the way down to break it results, and then you have to expand it, and then you have to spawn decal at location. So type in spawn decal at location, and then decal size is random integer in range, and then 3 to 7 is what we're looking for. Just connect it like that, decal size, and then you're good to go just like that. And then from location, you have the location of the hit. You can just come in here, go into the location, rotation comes into the impact normal, and again, if you just come all the way down there and connect it, it will just add the rotation from X vector node, and you're good to go. For the decal material, you have to create a material. I already created mine, so for me, I have 2 materials. So right click on anywhere you want, and then create a new material, and for that, come in here in the material details. Material domain should be default decal, blend mode, translucent, and all that is. Just go all the way to Google, download something, a texture that's got alpha channel. Alpha channel is really important because it's a translucent material, and then connect alpha to opacity, and then RGB to base color. You can add all sort of things as well, like different normal maps if you want to. If you want to use the existing map as a normal map, just multiply it by a constant of blue, and that will give you something like this, something that's like a normal map. We can come in here and use the material we created in here like that. Just do it like this, find it in the content browser and search and clear something like that, or we can promote it to a variable, and then come in here in the variable type, you can select array, and then add all of your materials. If you want something random, add it here, add them here, maybe 10 random materials. I'm already using 2, and then get a random integer, and this one goes into the decal material, and you're good to go.